Cambodia, where the apsara dance with nature. Siem Reap, the land of history and rich culture. Pria Sihanouk, tides of prosperity and gateway to paradise. Kos Rong, the hidden paradise. Kos Rong Samlung, connecting heart and mind. Wilderness wonders. Mandalkiri, where nature's majesty unfolds. Battambang, heritage meets harmony. Krati, where dolphins dance in the rapids. Pampang Spur, where adventure begins. Located in Kampong Spur. Rodnak Kiri, nature's treasures await. Phnom Penh, where tradition meets modernity.
People are more easygoing and relaxed here than Thailand, that's for sure.
Okay.
You got to come see Angkor Wat. It's stunning. It's amazing.
What's the best thing about Cambodia?
Oh, the people. So many things to do.
Yeah.
Seems to be so many activities, and we've just extended our stays.
I mean, if you come to Asia and you don't come to Cambodia, you've missed out on an absolute gem.
Explore the wonders of Cambodia.